everyone. My name is Nana Raj, and I'm studying in class 12th in Delhi Public School, Bangalore East, Karnataka, India. And I would like to thank my principal, Dr. Manila Carvalho, and EduTV 3MT, 3-minute tributes by 12th graders, the leaders of tomorrow, honoring the legends of today, for giving me this opportunity to speak about Mr. Sanjay Padori, the current president of IFIM Bengaluru and president of Vijayabhumi University, Karjat, Mumbai. Mr. Padori is not only a distinguished academician but also a pioneering entrepreneur whose journey has been both inspiring and impactful. He graduated with honors from the prestigious Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, in 1989 with a dual degree, an MSc in Mathematics and a BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. But his journey didn't stop at academics. Right after graduation, Mr. Padori stepped into the world of entrepreneurship and founded Dataline and Research Technologies Limited, popularly known as DART. In 1993, at a time when the internet was still a mystery to many, he launched India Online, a nationwide service that provided internet access in over 30 cities across the country. His company also introduced India's first secure corporate email system, Dart Mail. As the digital landscape evolved, so did his vision. He transformed DART into Asian CERC Information Technology Limited, focusing on real-time financial data and trading systems. Under his leadership, the company became a market giant, owning over 80% of the market share in financial information and internet-based trading solutions by 2006. That same year, the company was acquired by the Religare Group, and Mr. Padodi continued as a driving force behind its next phase, Religare Technova Global Solutions. Between 2006 and 2010, he played a key role in several domestic and international acquisitions and helped grow their IT service arms from just 200 to over 3,500 employees, focusing on healthcare and insurance. Mr. Padodi's deep expertise spans across complex financial and trading technologies, from algorithm trading engines to securities matching, clearing, and settlements systems. His leadership combined technical excellence with sharp business acumen, taking him to several countries to win major projects and accounts. In every phase of his career, Mr. Sanjay Padori has demonstrated foresight, resilience, and innovation. He continues to be a powerful force in shaping the future of both technology and education in India. Thank you.